Concept of oxidation and reduction in terms of electron transfer. Oxidation and reduction are chemical processes that involve the transfer of electrons between atoms, ions, or molecules, resulting in changes in their oxidation states, the number of electrons gained or lost. Oxidation. Oxidation is a process in which an atom, ion, or molecule loses electrons. During oxidation, there is an increase in the oxidation state of the species, meaning it becomes more positively charged. For example, in the reaction of methane, CH4, with oxygen, O2, to form carbon dioxide, and water, H2O, methane is oxidized. In this reaction, methane loses electrons, and its carbon atom becomes more positively charged, going from an oxidation state of -4 to +4. Reduction. Reduction is the opposite of oxidation. It is a chemical process in which an atom, ion, or molecule gains electron. During reduction, there is a decrease in the oxidation state of the species, meaning it becomes more negatively charged. Redox reaction. A redox, reduction-oxidation, reaction is a type of chemical reaction in which the oxidation state or oxidation number of one or more elements changes. In a redox reaction, there is a transfer of electrons from one substance to another. The substance that loses electrons is oxidized, undergoes oxidation, and the substance that gains electrons is reduced, undergoes reduction. An example of a redox reaction: sodium gets oxidized by losing one electron to chlorine, which gets reduced by accepting one electron from sodium atom. Oxidizing agent. An oxidizing agent, also known as an oxidant or oxidizer, is a substance that can accept electrons from another substance during a chemical reaction. It is a chemical species that causes oxidation in other substances by facilitating the loss of electrons. In the process, the oxidizing agent itself gets reduced as it gains electrons. Reducing agent. A reducing agent, also known as a reductant, is a substance that donates electrons to another substance during a chemical reaction. It is a chemical species that causes reduction in other substances by facilitating the gain of electrons. In the process, the reducing agent itself gets oxidized as it loses electrons.